Hello friends, we are going to solve numerical number 1 based on Norton theorems. Coming to this example, in this circuit, find out the value of short circuit current through A and B. So we will short circuit the terminal A and B and name it ISC, and we have to calculate this ISC value. We will solve this by the help of mesh analysis. This is assumed to be I1, this is to be I2, and this is to be I3. Now we can see clearly from here that the value of I3 will be equal to 5 ampere. The value of I3 is equal to 5 ampere. So we not need to apply the KVL in this loop. Right now in first loop and in second loop we will apply KVL, or we can use the short trick method. First I am applying in the second loop. Minus 2 plus 10 plus 10 minus 2 I2 minus I1 is equal to 0. From here we can say that 10 minus 2I2 plus 2I1 is equal to 0. 2I1 minus 2I2 is equal to minus 10. So I1 minus I2 is equal to minus 5. Equation number 1. In mesh number 1, minus 2 into I1 minus I2 minus 3 into I1 minus 1 into I1 minus I3 is equal to 0. Minus 2I1 plus 2I2 minus 3I1 minus I1 plus I3, and we know the value of I3 is equal to 5. So 5 is equal to 0. Right now minus 2I1 minus 3I1 minus I1. It means minus 6I1 plus 2I2 is equal to minus 5. We can also write 6I1 minus 2I2 is equal to 5. Equation number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2. If we are calculating the value of ISC, then that would be the difference of I2 and I3, and I3 value has been given, so we need to focus to calculate on I2. Multiplying equation 1 by 6, 6I1 minus 6I2 minus 30, and dividing minus plus minus. This is cancel out, and this is going to be minus 4I2 and equal to minus 35. So the value of I2 is equal to 35 by 4. But the question has not asked the value of IT, it has asked the value of IN. The value of I2 is equal to 35 by 4, but we do not need this current. We need ISC, and ISC will be equal to I2 minus I3, and that is I2 value we have calculated 35 by 4 minus 5, and that is coming to be 35 minus 20 divided by 4, that is 15 by 4 ampere. IN is equal to 50 by 4 is equal to 3.7.5 ampere, and this is the required answer. Thank you.